It's cold. Do you like eating ice cream for dinner? No. Well, this is because you have a sore throat. That's why you get to eat cold ice cream. But if you don't like it, we don't have to do it again. Is it cold?
No.
No? Take another bite and see if it's cold. Take another bite. Is it yummy? Hmm? It's cold. Mmm. So is it yummy?
Oh no.
It's so cold. Is it yummy?
Mm.
Say mm.
No.
No. It's not yummy? Say yummy.
No.
Is it yummy?
No.
No? You sticking with that, huh?
Mimi.
What about Mimi?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Mimi. Mimi.
What about Mimi?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it yummy?
Dada.
Daddy's watching the Braves. He's watching baseball.
Yeah, Papa.
Baseball.
Papa. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to say yum? Oh, no, sir.
No.
Are you going to say the ice cream is yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy.
No.